The world trains you to announce every intention before it has taken root. You share your goals, defend your dreams, and seek approval before taking the first difficult step. Yet every opinion you collect becomes another weight on your mind. Every reaction distracts your attention from the only battlefield that truly matters. Slowly, your energy is spent explaining a future that has not yet been earned, while your present quietly slips away. The Stoics understood a truth that modern life constantly ignores. Real strength does not grow through applause, but through silent discipline practiced beyond the eyes of the crowd. This was not a clever trick or temporary motivation. It was a principle tested across centuries by men who endured wars, betrayal, hardship, and impossible responsibility without surrendering their inner peace. Their greatest victories were prepared in complete silence. Marcus Aurelius ruled one of history's greatest empires, yet he rarely wasted energy proving his wisdom to others. Instead, he turned inward, writing reminders to himself rather than speeches for admiration. His private reflections became stronger than public declarations because they shaped his character before they ever influenced another person. His example teaches that the quietest work often creates the loudest legacy. Silence is misunderstood because people mistake it for weakness. They assume the person who speaks less lacks confidence, while the one making constant announcements appears powerful. Reality often works in the opposite direction. Those who possess genuine confidence feel no urgency to convince anyone. Their certainty comes from disciplined action rather than persuasive words. They understand that results speak with a voice no argument can overcome. Every unnecessary explanation leaks valuable energy. When you tell others about your plans, your brain receives a small reward before the work has even begun. That feeling of recognition can weaken the desire to earn the real achievement. The Stoics warned against becoming attached to appearances, because appearances create comforting illusions. Character grows only through action repeated consistently when nobody is watching. Consider the archer preparing to release an arrow. Every movement is deliberate, calm, and controlled. The archer does not shout where the arrow will land before drawing the bow. Focus remains entirely on posture, breathing, and precision. The outcome belongs partly to fortune, but the preparation belongs completely to discipline. This image perfectly reflects the Stoic understanding of quiet mastery over one's own efforts. Epictetus taught that some things depend on us, while others never will. Our choices, judgments, and actions remain ours. Reputation, praise, criticism, and public opinion belong to forces outside our command. The moment you become obsessed with managing another person's perception, you surrender authority over your own peace. Silence protects your attention by keeping it anchored where your influence truly exists. Many people fear disappearing because they confuse visibility with value. They believe constant activity on display proves importance. Yet nature reveals another lesson. The strongest roots develop underground, hidden from every eye. Their unseen growth allows the tallest tree to survive storms that destroy weaker plants. Human character follows the same law. Invisible preparation creates visible resilience when life's hardest winds begin to blow. There is remarkable freedom in no longer needing everyone to understand you. Critics lose their power because they can only attack what they see. Envy finds fewer opportunities because your progress unfolds without unnecessary attention. Even failure becomes easier to overcome because fewer voices echo inside your mind. You become accountable not to shifting crowds, but to the quiet standard established by your own conscience. The Stoics believed that every obstacle carries the possibility of transformation. An insult becomes training for patience. A disappointment becomes practice for resilience. A delay becomes an opportunity to strengthen discipline instead of frustration. This attitude, known as loving one's fate, changes suffering into instruction. Silence makes this transformation easier because energy once wasted on complaints is redirected toward deliberate improvement. Imagine two people beginning the same difficult journey. One announces every milestone, seeks validation after each small success, and defends every setback against endless opinions. The other quietly returns to the work each morning, saying little and improving steadily. Months later, their paths no longer resemble each other. One owns impressive stories, while the other possesses undeniable results built through patient consistency. The greatest victories rarely begin with dramatic declarations. They begin with a private decision, repeated every single day, until discipline becomes identity. The world may never witness the countless moments when temptation was resisted, comfort was rejected, or fear was overcome. Yet those hidden battles shape every visible success that eventually captures attention. True power is never created for an audience. It is created for the soul. The silence practiced by the Stoics was never meant to isolate them from humanity. Instead, it protected them from becoming prisoners of unnecessary noise. They understood that every careless argument, every emotional reaction, and every attempt to defend the ego stole precious attention from what truly mattered. A calm mind is like still water. Only when it becomes undisturbed can it reflect reality without distortion or fear. Seneca warned that crowds often reward the habits that quietly destroy character. They celebrate instant pleasure, constant entertainment, and endless comparison. Yet the wise person refuses to let popularity become the measure of truth. Every hour spent strengthening discipline creates an invisible advantage that compounds over years. Others may notice only the final achievement, never realizing it was built through countless unnoticed decisions. One of the greatest forms of freedom is reaching the point where praise and criticism carry equal weight. This does not mean becoming cold or indifferent to people. It means refusing to let another person's opinion become the ruler of your emotions. When your peace depends upon applause, your happiness belongs to strangers. When your peace depends upon character, no stranger can truly take it away. History repeatedly reminds us that lasting influence often belongs to those who mastered themselves before attempting to influence others. Their authority was not borrowed from popularity, but earned through consistency. Every difficult choice strengthened the foundation beneath their lives. Every sacrifice increased their ability to remain calm during chaos. Quiet discipline became the source from which confidence naturally emerged without demanding recognition. Many people believe courage appears only during extraordinary moments, yet the Stoics recognized a different reality. Courage is formed during ordinary days. It appears when you choose patience instead of anger, restraint instead of impulse, and perseverance instead of excuses. These choices rarely attract attention, but together they forge a character capable of facing extraordinary challenges without losing inner stability. There will always be voices encouraging shortcuts. Some will promise quick success, instant respect, or effortless happiness. The Stoics rejected such illusions because they understood that anything gained without discipline rarely survives difficulty. A person who builds slowly develops strength along with success. A person who chases easy victories often discovers that comfort disappears the moment genuine adversity arrives. Complete silence does not mean refusing to speak forever. It means knowing exactly when words create value and when they merely satisfy the ego. Speak when truth requires courage. Remain silent when pride demands attention. This simple distinction transforms communication into an instrument of wisdom instead of emotional reaction. Few people possess this mastery, which is precisely why it carries such remarkable strength. As you continue your own journey, remember that every unnoticed act of discipline becomes an investment in the future version of yourself. Every distraction resisted sharpens your focus. Every criticism ignored protects your peace. Every obstacle accepted strengthens your resilience. Over time, these quiet victories accumulate until your life itself becomes the proof that no explanation was ever necessary. Silence, guided by Stoic wisdom, does not hide greatness. It patiently builds it until the world can no longer ignore it.